Got some leftover bechamel sauce from last night's lasagna? Don't let it go to waste. Today, I'm showing you how to transform that creamy goodness into 4 mouth-watering dishes. And trust me, they're super easy and delicious. So before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tasty recipes. First up, we're making a classic chicken pot pie. You'll need 1 cup of shredded chicken, 1 cup of mixed veggies, carrots, peas, and corn, 1 cup of bechamel sauce, 1 sheet of puff pastry, 1 egg, beaten. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix the chicken, veggies, and bechamel sauce in a bowl. Pour it into an oven-safe dish, cover with the puff pastry, and brush with the beaten egg. Bake for 25-30 minutes until golden brown. And there you have it, a creamy, comforting chicken pot pie. Next, let's whip up a cheesy cauliflower bake. You'll need 1 medium cauliflower cut into florets, 1 cup of bechamel sauce, 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese, salt and pepper to taste. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Steam the cauliflower until tender, then place it in a baking dish. Pour the bechamel sauce over the cauliflower, sprinkle with cheddar cheese, and season with salt and pepper. Bake for 20-25 minutes until bubbly and golden. It's a cheesy delight you won't want to miss. Moving on, let's try a fish mornay. You'll need 2 white fish fillets, 1 cup of bechamel sauce, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, lemon wedges for serving. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the fish fillets in a baking dish, cover with bechamel sauce, and sprinkle with Parmesan cheese and breadcrumbs. Bake for 20 minutes until the fish is cooked through and the top is golden. Serve with lemon wedges for a zesty kick. Finally, let's make the ultimate comfort food, macaroni and cheese. You'll need 2 cups of cooked macaroni, 1 cup of bechamel sauce, 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, salt and pepper to taste. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix the cooked macaroni, bechamel sauce, and cheddar cheese in a bowl. Pour into a baking dish, sprinkle with breadcrumbs, and season with salt and pepper. Bake for 20 minutes until bubbly and golden brown. It's creamy, cheesy perfection. And there you have it, 4 amazing dishes using leftover bechamel sauce. Give them a try and let me know which one's your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more scrumptious recipes. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.